Okay, the purpose of this video is to show you how to create specific menu buttons that are not available within the program and do not have an icon in the program. Okay, so previously we looked at how to add a fish and a lizard button, but now I need to add something else. I need to add a picture of my pet tarantula. So I need to go to Menu, Edit Page. Okay, oh, you know what? I forgot to get into my main page that I want to end up on. So I need to hit Done. I do not want to edit this main page. Where I want to put it is under Pet. This is the menu that I want to edit. So I need to make sure I'm here first before I hit Edit Page. Okay, so now I'm exactly where I want to be, and I want to add my pet tarantula right here. I'm going to create a new button. Okay, there is no image of a tarantula in here. So what I want to do is I want to import an image, and I can use my camera. And let's just say that this is my pet tarantula. I take the picture. The picture is there. I'm going to use this photo. It's a great picture of my pet tarantula. And I'm going to hit Done. And you know what? I know it's a tarantula, but his name is Harry. Okay, so now here is my pet tarantula, Harry. Okay,